Hello everyone, and welcome to Handstronics. In this video we'll see a summary of the DIY projects that will come in the next videos, so let's start. Number 7 is a door sensor. It is a sensor for knowing if a door is open or closed. We will make our own sensor and also compare it with a commercial one. This can also be used for windows. We will link this sensor with a microcontroller to trigger an alarm or to monitor the status of the door wirelessly, even if we are not at home. The number 6 is an outdoor solar lamp. We will use some solar cells to charge a battery and to light some LEDs. This lamp will also be controlled using a microcontroller and a wireless device. The number 5 is a misting system. These kind of systems are very comfortable for summer, especially where the temperature is very hot, like here in the south of Spain. It consists on a water pump which injects water through some nebulizers or outlets to the open air. This way, by evaporating the water, the temperature of the air comes down. We will buy a kit with the pump and the nebulizers to set up the system, and we will control the temperature and humidity of the place we want to cool down. The number 4 is an indoor wooden lamp. We will make this lamp using RGB LEDs. I want it to be sort of a design lamp, so we will pay attention to detail. We will control the light intensity and color wirelessly. The number 3 is an egg incubator. We will remake an egg incubator initially built by my brother in order to make it more autonomous. It will be necessary to control the temperature, the humidity, the egg position by rotating them, and the air movement using an electric fan. All of this will be controlled by a microcontroller, and we will set up different scenarios for different species, such as chickens, quails, partridges and other birds. Depending on the species, the temperature, humidity and other parameters will be different. The number 2 is a water level indicator. We have a water tank and currently we don't know if it is full or empty, so we will implement a system to let us know the exact water level of the tank using a pressure sensor and a microcontroller. The microcontroller will show the water level on a screen. The number 1 and our first project will be a weather station. This station will be composed by a temperature and humidity sensor, an anemometer to know the wind speed, a vane to know the wind direction, a pluviometer to measure the rainfall, a light-dependent resistor to know the radiation level, and a barometer to know the atmospheric pressure. This will be a project from scratch, but we will reuse some of the components of an old audio weather station owned by my father. This old weather station stopped working due to some failure with the microcontroller, so we will give a second life to some of its components, such as the pluviometer or the anemometer. This project will also have a second indoor station which will be connected wirelessly to the outdoor station, and that will have some buttons and a display to consult the current values and the history of stored parameters. I would also like to build a mobile app to read the parameters wirelessly on my smartphone, but that's a little bit more complicated since right now I don't know how to build Android apps, but maybe we can learn how to do it. So that's everything for now. Thanks for watching and don't forget to leave your comment, press the like button if you liked it, and please subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next video with our first project, the weather station.